And it is with heavy hearts that we report John Andretti's cancer has returned. In a tweet, the former IndyCar driver says, in part, quote, "Today was not what we hoped would happen, but I start back on the chemo coaster without a definite end." And he goes on to say that they are continuing research options and the Levin support means a lot. In 2017, Andretti was diagnosed with cancer and had his colon removed shortly after. With his hashtag Check It for Andretti, Andretti has been an advocate of the importance of getting routine colonoscopy screenings.